Top 7 Best Mouse for SolidWorks in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. Evoluent Vertical Mouse D Large Vertical Ergonomic USB Wireless Mouse. Comfort is key with hours of clicking and scrolling. A great mouse is typically found in the form of a horizontal body, but vertical options, such as Evoluent's, are brilliant for ensuring proper wrist, hand, and arm posture. The programmable buttons are also designed for easy access and scrolling on this CAD mouse. My last mouse was a vertical mouse, but was finally wearing out after nearly a decade, wrote a reviewer. This is a great replacement. I love the customizable buttons, and the finger grooves make for a great grip. Number 6. Razer Naga X Wired MMO Gaming Mouse. This best SolidWorks mouse is first and foremost a gaming model, but that hasn't stopped shoppers from successfully using Razer's Naga X mouse for CAD programs. Razer mice are popular for their features, and this one is no different. The incredibly quick clicking capabilities and precise sensor understandably make it a fantastic computer mouse for SolidWorks as well as games. With 16 programmable buttons, CAD professionals frequently use commands can be set no problem. I have to admit, I don't use this mouse for gaming, I use it for CAD, explained a customer. I love the programmability of the mouse, allowing me to assign functions to each of the buttons. I primarily got the mouse because I wanted a mouse with as many buttons as possible. The mouse has sped up my workflow, saving me an estimated hour each day of work. Number 5. Enfik Rechargeable Wireless Mouse. Another affordable but good mouse comes in the form of this Enfik computer mouse. With over 6,000 5-star ratings, it's one of the best mice for anyone starting out or in need of something a little more advanced than a normal mouse. Heavy usage, no issue with a 1-year warranty backing this advanced mouse, and it can be connected through 3 different methods. A big perk is its noiseless buttons, which won't lead to distracting sounds. I bought this for a design internship over the summer, and it's very nice, especially for the price tag. Row 1 customer. I have bigger hands, so it felt nice to use, and it's very sensitive, which is great for a dual monitor setup. 10/10 would recommend as an option for CAD. Another person added, use mainly for 3D CAD work, and so far have had no troubles with it. Number 4. Technic Classic 2.4G Portable Optical Wireless Mouse. Under $12, this Technic CAD mouse meets both budget and quality expectations for many. It has an 8 million click lifespan and can float over most surfaces. With 6 DPI settings, the computer mouse is customizable for work needs. Its receiver can also be tucked away within the body for simple storage. It's a good mouse minus the fact that it won't bring the same caliber of precision as a more expensive high-performance mouse would, but it's completely suitable for this type of work, especially for students, beginners, or as a secondary mouse. You won't find a better product in this price range, explained a buyer. Of course, if you're looking for an ultra-accurate mouse with extra functions, spend more. I use it mainly on SolidWorks and Fusion 360 for engineering purposes, and I love it. I can carry it in my backpack. It's super sturdy. Number 3. Logitech MX Ergo Wireless Trackball Mouse. For precision and comfortable ergonomics, this Logitech mouse is a great choice for SolidWorks and other CAD software. Thanks to Logitech's unifying connector, the Logitech MX Ergo can connect up to 3 computers on already existing systems on Mac or Windows models. Even the angle it sits at can be adjusted, truly making it an ergonomic mouse. And its advanced optical tracking ensures it won't miss a beat when scrolling, clicking, or selecting. If you like trackballs, get this mouse, expressed one reviewer. It has a very long battery life and is chargeable while in use. It has a very good anti-slip / heavy rubber / metal base, which makes it feel very sturdy. They also noted that it's only starting to show wear 2 years after purchase. All buttons feel crisp. Precision mode is a great feature for Photoshop, SolidWorks, etc. Number 2. Logitech G600 MMO Gaming Wired Mouse. With programmable keys built into the side and silent buttons, this mouse for SolidWorks from Logitech is a great choice for CAD and gaming. It can switch between work desktops and personal gaming computers with ease and has an ultra-quick 1 millisecond response time. This is made for right-handed users, though so ambidextrous or left-handed users should search for better options elsewhere. Love that it has so many buttons, and that it is doubled because of the shift function, wrote a buyer. The shape of it is very comfortable, and the tracking on it is very good, better than my other mice, and the light isn't blinding like my other mice. They also noted that it can be used on a variety of surfaces, not just a mouse pad. Number 1. 3D Connection Space Mouse Enterprise USB Wired 3D Mouse. When on the search for a good SolidWorks mouse, a device that has been specifically built for CAD workplaces can't really be beat. 3D Connection's Space Mouse is much more of an investment than others, but it's perfectly fit for CAD professionals and CAD software thanks to its ergonomic design and buttons. Architects and engineers can create models with very accurate measurements on their desktop computers through this navigator and its many programmable keys. I've been using this mouse for a year, and I absolutely love it, explained one customer. It's been a lifesaver when working with supported 3D apps. My wrist and hand thank the manufacturer. Saves so much clicking and weirdly holding a regular or trackball mouse to move 3D objects in space. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best mouse for SolidWorks in 2022. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.